Back with the Blackbird Shoe Company. This Bordeaux Blucher. Split toe derby. Okay? Split toe derby, Blucher, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to condition it. Again, I'm here with my Liga and some scotch. Drew Estate Liga. A luxury cigar for a luxury shoe. I'm going to use Saphir. Saphir is my go-to on any luxury product. On my Caminas, my $900 Caminas, my Mirrorman, Shell Cordovan, anything like that, I always use Saphir. Now, just so you know, this is a Bordeaux. Some people say Burgundy. Saphir actually makes a cream that will match this directly. It's number 8. Okay? You can look at it. It goes directly with it. All right? You can put that on there if you want. I usually don't use a lot of polish. I usually take care of my shoes. I use more conditioner. If you guys been following me, you heard me say that. You know, these shoes here, man, they have a great patina. They've already kind of painted that on there, on the heel and the toe. Now, sometimes it's severe when you put it on, it might remove some of that. But over time, since this is a great leather, it's going to naturally patina anyway. You know, sometimes wearing, you know, a good shoe out in rain or weather, now don't get me wrong, I really usually don't like doing it, but the weather will make the leather better. Okay? Just know that. This is a skin, so you got to condition it. And this is what I do. It's Saturday, so I'm doing my conditioning. You don't need a lot of this Saphir, just a finger dab. So a lot of times I just operate off the top of this. All right, I take a little dab like so, and I start at the toe, and I just work it in good. Okay. Now, how I do these is this is a luxury shoe, and it is all luxury, all leather. I'll do a light coat like so. Okay. I'll let this sit overnight. Now, you could let it sit for an hour or 2, but I'll let it sit overnight just because we're dealing with luxury stuff here. I'll put this in here like so. You know, you got to get that tongue. My dad would always say, hey man, take them shoestrings, check them shoestrings out, get that tongue. So, set it down here, open this up. The tongue there, man, I'll take my time and just get him on there real good. Get that conditioning in that Bordeaux. When this Saphir soaks in, it's going to give it a good seal from the weather. It's going to give it a good leather protection. It's going to nourish that leather up real good. I mean, just putting it on there, it hasn't even dried in, and it looks good. Why? Because this is a high quality full grain leather that's been tanned correctly. It's been prepared correctly by Blackbird. Look at that. Just put it on there, man. Let your fingers, the heat of your body, just get it in there good. Heel part here. Get him up in there. Look at that. In there. Look at that. Turn him on over. Just a light coat. Guys, when you putting this on, man, don't just a little dab, man. You ain't gotta put more than that. You know, I'm gonna say it again. This is skin. Black folks, I'm black. If you haven't noticed, I am. We grow up, our parents put tons of cocoa butter on our skin as kids. Like I said, they'll move the doctor over. Hey, doctor, I know he's a newborn. Move over. We got to put cocoa butter on him. And I really believe that cocoa butter is why they say black don't crack. And it don't if you take care of it. So that's this whole shoe. Now what I do the sole as well. Why? Because it's leather. This whole shoe is leather. It's not a man-made product on there other than the skid plate on the heel, that rubber plate. That's how you know you got a quality shoe. When you have quality leather products all throughout, that's how you know you got a quality shoe. Oh, that's a little heavy there, but I'm gonna let it dry overnight. So there you go. Now this shoe is protected. So I'm gonna let this shoe dry. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, Sunday, and I'm gonna put another light coat on. So Monday, I'm gonna buff it off and shine it up with a soft cloth, okay, or old t-shirt. And it's gonna be great all the way up until winter time. Now, normally for me, I don't really wear shoes in the winter. I wear boots. Guess what? Blackbird does boots as well. They have really, really nice ones. I'm looking to get a pair this summer. I like to match a boot with a shoe. So when it gets cold, what I would normally wear in my shoe, now I have a boot that's kind of matching it. And that's how I like to go.